പരിശുദ്ധാത്മാവുമായ സർവേശ്വരായ and if we don't perform our responsibilities well,
അച്ഛനും അച്ഛനോട് ചേർന്ന് പ്രവർത്തിച്ച ഫ്രണ്ട്സ് ഓഫ് ദ ഗുഡ് ഷെപ്പേർഡ് എന്ന ഒരു സംഘടനയാണ്. അവരെല്ലാം നമുക്ക് സ്നേഹത്തോടെ ഓർക്കാം, അവർക്ക് വേണ്ടി പ്രാർത്ഥിക്കാം. നന്നായിട്ട് ഇതിൻ്റെ ഈ ചുമതലകളെല്ലാം പൂർത്തിയാക്കിയത് നമ്മുടെ ബഹുമാനപ്പെട്ട വികാരിയച്ഛൻ്റെ നേതൃത്വത്തിൽ, കുളമ്പള്ളിയച്ഛൻ്റെ നേതൃത്വത്തിലുള്ള നിങ്ങളുടെ എല്ലാം ഒരു കൂട്ടായ സഹകരണമാണ്. ഞാൻ പ്രത്യേക അഭിനന്ദനങ്ങൾ അറിയിക്കുന്നു. പിന്നെ പ്രവർത്തിച്ച അച്ഛൻ, കൊച്ചച്ഛൻ, മറ്റ് കൈക്കാരന്മാർ തുടങ്ങി ഇതുമായിട്ട് ബന്ധപ്പെട്ട PTA, ബഹുമാനപ്പെട്ട ടോണി സാറ്, എല്ലാവരെയും ഞാൻ ആത്മാർത്ഥമായിട്ട് അഭിനന്ദിക്കുന്നു. I just take this occasion to appreciate and congratulate, also to give thanks to this group who really were behind this particular project. It is with a great, I am really privileged to congratulate and express our gratitude to our dear father James Takemori, who is now working in USA, United States of America. And it is his special initiative that he has taken this project, and with the help of Friends of the Good Shepherd, a particular organization which is headed by people of goodwill, and they have taken the initiative and they have substantially contributed to this project. And because of their effort, their genuine commitment, that this project has been accomplished. Now we have got a computer lab, a computer room, as part of the annex, and then also the toilet areas, then 3 classrooms, etc. Of course, this is a great contribution from their part, and I do appreciate and thank Father James Takemori, also the team who was really contributing to this. They are Friends of the Good Shepherd. So once again, I thank you. May God bless all of you, and you have really done a very generous help to this institution, this particular school, Marian Public School, Merigulam. May God bless everyone. God bless you.
I am Father Varghese, manager, Marian Public School, Merigulam, in the Diocese of Kanjirappally, and I am very much privileged to acknowledge and thank Father James Takemori and team, Friends of the Good Shepherd USA, for their valuable support and help for the renovation project of Marian Public School Merigulam, which is timely completed and gracefully blessed by His Excellency Mar Jose Pulikal, Bishop of Kanjirappally, on 3rd December 2023. Of course, this infrastructure gives immense convenience for our students and for the catechetical purpose of our parish. So, on behalf of all the staff and students and all of us here, I once again thank you all for your great support and help. May God bless us.